Hi there guys, welcome back to the Tower Tech. Out in the woods again with the drone. Got the new Manfrotto backpack with me, so we're giving that a proper field test. Going to do a couple of things in this video. One, I've updated the firmware on the drone, so I want to see if that's made any difference to the issue that we had around glitching on the stream, the video stream that was going down to the iPad, see if that's improved that situation. I also want to check out the Waypoint intelligent flight mode within the Phantom 4. So I'm looking for a nice big open space. There's an absolutely huge common, so we're going to have a little stroll, see if we can find a perfect open space with no people so that we can test that feature. So we found our spot. I've been here for about half an hour or so. There's not an absolute soul here. I've got myself set up. So the first thing that we're going to check to see is the image quality in the stream down to the iPad improved now that we've updated the firmware. So let's get the aircraft in the air. The answer's got to be categorically yes. Still not perfect, there's still some glitching, but it is worlds better than it was. I have also disabled a couple of things on my iPad. I've switched off background refresh for the apps. I've also switched off things like Wi-Fi, etc. And I've switched off all of the apps that were running in the background. So having looked on the forums, basically my sense of it is that the DJI Go app is very resource hungry and very intensive as an application. Therefore you need to free up as much of the CPU and memory that you possibly can to make sure that that app performs as you need it to. Okay, so now that we've done that, we'll have a go at trying the Waypoint intelligent flight mode that's available on the Phantom 4. We've got a nice big open space here. Let's give it a whirl. You need to select the quadcopter symbol from the left hand side of the DJI Go app. You then need to select the Waypoint intelligent flight mode and select new mission. You then need to maneuver the aircraft into the position that you want it and hit record C1. You will then see the waypoint count increase. You then maneuver the aircraft to the next waypoint, remembering to adjust for altitude as well as position, and again hit record C1. Again, you see the waypoints increase. We're now up to 2. You then continue to do this. Again, maneuver the aircraft into position, adjusting altitude and position. When you execute this mission, the aircraft will adjust its altitude as well as its position. Hit C1 again. Continue, continue, continue. So, let's take a look at what the finished article looks like. Couldn't have been more straightforward. Fly the drone to a particular position and a particular altitude, hit the button to set a waypoint, continue that round, make sure that the waypoints are more than 5 meters apart, and send it on the mission. Really straightforward and simple. The last thing that I'm going to check out on this video is the ability that when you're doing a follow me to pan around, a bit like we did in the previous video with the 360-degree pan, but do that whilst you've got a target locked on who's actually moving. So let's have a go. We select active track from the quadcopter menu on the left. We select our target by tapping on the screen, and then we tap the go button. This has locked the Phantom 4 onto this target for tracking. Then it's as simple as pressing the right stick on the control all the way to the right. The Phantom 4 will then rotate around the subject that it is tracking. Just got back from the woods. I'm still not entirely satisfied with the amount of glitching that I'm getting on the iPad with the live stream that's coming down from the Phantom 4, so I am going to contact DJI support. I've exhausted absolutely everything that I can think of. Now, my previous experience with DJI support was not fantastic. I'm going to give them another go, and I will keep you guys posted. Very excitingly, next weekend is the UK drone show in the NEC in Birmingham. I will be taking my camera to that and I will be vlogging that. So if you're not already subscribed, please make sure that you do so that you don't miss that fabulous event. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video.